First of all, I had thought of a few words perhaps which summed up for me the meaning of the language to me. I think that the words that sprung to mind were citizenship, identity, a badge possibly, and then I was struck by a proverb that I'd seen, and the proverb is Cenedl heb iaith, cenedl heb galon. And I saw that on Rhagfyr's kitchen wall, and basically a nation without its language is a nation without its heart. And I thought long about that, and I thought, well, what a wonderful way to sum up the language and perhaps what it means to me. And while I'm only a learner of the language, I think it does set into context perhaps the importance of the language for me personally. Well, I believe that the importance of the language is very much to do with progress in a bilingual society. And I think that more and more now that we're seeing the language inherent in our services such as the health service, education and skills. And I think that any young person who wishes to forge a career in Wales and indeed to promote the country abroad perhaps needs to have a touch with the language and engage with it as part of their training. And so for me, very much, it's about a contribution to the economy and looking to prepare themselves for a career in a bilingual society.